All right, let's spin it around. Here's how it shows up. That's how it shows up. And checking the corners are properly wrapped. I don't see any cracks or breakage. Black trim. So it comes with some installation instructions. Pretty thorough, written in English, thank goodness. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to take this out of the box because I'll never get it all back in, but it appears to have survived USPS shipping, or excuse me, UPS shipping. Everything looks good. I don't see anything cracked or broken. Corners look good. So, hardware, there you go. I'm not taking it out. I don't want to wrestle it. It's not ready to be installed yet. So, well, the room's not ready. But there you go. Nice.